Good morning, students. In previous video, we are discussing about career option in the field of physical education. In previous video, we have talked about traditional career as a teacher and as a coach. In today, we are going to teach you about performance related career. Performance related career is a career that related with a person performance, or we can say in such kind of career mainly based on the performance of a person. It is further divided into two parts: as a player and as a official. As a player and as a official. Now we can talk about as a player. As a player, as we all know, sports person perform at various level competition. Those sports person who participate in national and international level, they get job in various sector due to their performance, or we can say according to their performance they can get jobs in various sector like railways, banking sector, defense sector. These all are related with government sector. A player or a good sports person also work in private sector. We are say that highly skilled person get higher rank and salaries as compared to other players. What kind of things is indicated by this sentence? It means a person who can perform better in national and international level, then according to their performance a person get higher rank and salaries to their other companion. These things only possible when a person perform well in national and international level. For example, due to their performance at international level, Nancy Mary Kom got Superintendent of Police. PV Sindhu work in IOCL as a GM, General Manager. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, one of the most favorite or important personality, everyone known MS Dhoni, he got colonel rank in Indian Army. Sushil Kumar, famous wrestler, he is SP, Superintendent of Police in Haryana, and many other sports personality who get government job due to their performance. Players also take part in advertisement and earn money from there also. So we can say that physical education provide a career as a player. Our next topic is as a official. as a official, the smooth conduction of any sports or tournament and competition depend upon good official or good officiating. So we can say that official are those person who conduct the game in a smooth manner. Official is a new term for you. Official means a person, a number of person who conduct the game in a smooth manner. In a smooth manner. It include referee. It include referee, umpires, timekeeper, scorer, lineman, and other persons also. For being a official, a person must have good knowledge of game. For being a official, a person must have good knowledge of games, as well as he know rules and regulation of the game. Good officials' main duty is to give accurate decision in pressure situation. We can also say that officials, either he or she can handle the pressure and give right decision during the game. Due to their decision making and proper conducting of tournament or competition, and official salaries and grade upgrade. हम कह सकते हैं कि किसी ऑफिशियल्स मीन्स एम्पायर, रेफरी, लाइन्समैन, दोज हु कंडक्ट गेम, अगर उनकी परफॉर्मेंस और प्रेशर को हैंडल करना सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग अच्छा होता है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग उनकी सैलरीज और ग्रेड अपग्रेड होता है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड कैरियर related to sports and games. So it is also a good career related to sports and games. For example, in a cricket match, a umpire get salaries of 2 lakh rupees per match at international level. In next video we are talking about professional career.